In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a user an admin in Google Workspace. If you manage a team or organization, delegating administrative roles is essential for keeping operations running smoothly. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to promote a user to an admin role securely and efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Workspace. Once you're on the main page, locate and click on the Admin console. This is your central hub for managing users, settings, security, groups, and more. Next, log in using your business email account with administrative privileges. Only authorized admin accounts can assign roles, so make sure you're using the correct credentials. Enter your password and access the Admin console dashboard. Inside the Admin console, look to the left-hand menu and select Directory. This section allows you to manage users and groups within your organization. After clicking on Directory, select Users. You'll now see a list of all users associated with your Google Workspace account. Browse through the list and click on the name of the user you want to promote. This will open their user profile and settings page. Within their profile, find and click on the option to assign roles. You'll be taken to a page where you can assign administrative roles. Here, look for the super admin role. Keep in mind that the super admin role has full administrative privileges, so it should only be assigned to trusted individuals. Once you've located it, check the box next to super admin and save your changes. That's it. You successfully made a user an admin in Google Workspace. Each step is simple, but it's important to carefully manage admin privileges to maintain the security and integrity of your organization. Always ensure users understand their new responsibilities before assigning elevated roles. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other guides for more step-by-step Google Workspace tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.